Have you ever found yourself standing at a checkout counter, Chime card in hand, heart pounding, wondering if you're about to embarrass yourself? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime debit cards to answer the burning question, where exactly can you use this thing? Let's start with the basics. A Chime debit card is linked to your Chime spending account. It's a Visa or MasterCard, which means it's accepted at millions of places worldwide. But let's get specific. Online shopping. Your digital cart's best friend online shopping is a breeze with a Chime card. Most major retailers, from Amazon to Walmart, accept it. You can shop for fashion, electronics, groceries, and everything in between. Just make sure to double-check the accepted payment methods before you hit that checkout button. Brick-and-mortar bliss, retail therapy unleashed. Think your favorite stores don't take Chime? Think again. Most major retailers, from clothing stores to electronics shops, accept Chime. Whether you're buying a new outfit, upgrading your tech, or grabbing some essentials, your Chime card has got you covered. Dining out, fuel your food adventures. Craving pizza? Sushi? Or maybe a fancy steak dinner? Good news, Chime is widely accepted at restaurants. From fast food joints to fine dining establishments, you can enjoy your meal without worrying about payment. Just remember to tip your server. Gas stations, road trip ready. Need to fill up your tank for a road trip or daily commute? Chime is accepted at most gas stations. So, go ahead and hit the open road without any payment worries. ATMs, your cash access point. Need cash? Chime gives you access to a fee-free ATM network. Find a Visa or MasterCard ATM and withdraw your money without any added charges. It's a convenient way to get cash when you need it. Beyond the basics, where else can you use Chime? While Chime is widely accepted, there are a few exceptions. Some smaller, local businesses might not accept it. It's always a good idea to check with the business beforehand if you're unsure. Additionally, some online services, like certain streaming platforms, may not accept prepaid cards. Overcoming challenges. Tips for using your Chime card. If you encounter issues using your Chime card, here are a few tips. Check your balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds for your purchase. Check your card status. Verify that your card is activated and not frozen. Contact Chime support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Chime's customer support for assistance. Chime and beyond. Exploring other payment options. While Chime is a great option, it's essential to have backup payment methods. Consider carrying a small amount of cash and explore other digital payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.